Everyone loves coupons. So creating coupon codes for your WooCommerce based website is a good marketing strategy to generate more leads. So here I'll show you how quickly you can create a coupon code system for your WooCommerce based website in very easy 3 steps. So this is just a top view. The first step is to create the coupon. So when you create a coupon code, then it will look something like this, like a random number stream, and then you can have a coupon type. So in some cases you can create a coupon or a discount on every product, a different on every product, or you can do a total based on your amount on the in the cart. So in some cases the discount could be percentage of the amount, or it could be a fixed amount. So in this case I have created a fixed 100 rupee discount for a trial product. So when you create a coupon, then what happens is it will also create a link for you. So the link will look something like this, and it will have the parameter, and you'll see that the same coupon code that is here is just in uppercase here, like it is appended at the end of the link. So this is very easy way you can create a link, and you'll have that link ready once you create a coupon. Then the next step is you have to, whatever coupon code you have created, you have to market it. Now how do you reach out to people? You can reach out to people in various ways. Say for example, you can use a Facebook post or a email marketing campaign, or maybe Twitter. I mean, there are many ways, right? You can choose, or you can just use email marketing campaign. So whatever way you choose. So in this case, like I just give an example where I created this post, and then once I post it, it will reach to my subscribers. So the first step of creating coupon code can be done only by the admin. The second step could be done by anyone, but usually the person who's responsible for marketing in your company, that's the person who will create all these posts, and then he will send it out and try to reach out to as many potential leads as possible. So this was the second step. Now in the third step, like what happens is the your potential lead will see this marketing campaign, right, like email campaign or something. He will see it in front of him, and then you'll see now how it will actually look from the lead or the customer's point of view. So if I click on this, then I'll be taken to the page where there is a list of products. And then let's say I decide to choose this particular product, digital business card, for which is available for 500 rupees. And you'll see there is a message here, coupon code is already applied and all that. So now I click on this. The product is for rupees 500 originally. I click on add to cart, right? And let's say I'm done shopping, so I'm just gonna click on view cart. So once I click on view cart, you'll notice that the original product is 500, but rupees 100 was deducted, and now it is rupees 400. Now the lead will go as usual to proceed to checkout. I'm not going to show you this because this is just a usual shopping cart experience. Okay, now I go back here. Okay, now after this I like to explain you what this particular product is not, right? See, this is not a referral type of a system. Now what do I mean by referral type of a system? Normally in a referral or reseller program, what happens is that any user who registers to your system can create a unique URL, and that unique URL could be shared with with the other users. Now when the other users buy from that unique URL, both the buyer as well as the person who has referred to this user, both will get something. So in this case it doesn't work like that, like the one I showed you as an example. In this case only admin can create the link, and the person who's sharing or resharing this link with others, he's not going to get anything. But the person who is a lead, or who's going to actually buy something using that link, he's the one who is going to get the discount. So I hope this explained in a nutshell how this whole thing is supposed to work from the admin point of view, from the marketing person's point of view, and from the leads point of view. So if you have any further question, please post those in the comments. Thank you.